Results. I'm Carmen, and today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to make a shock lettering sign. I saw this really cute one for coffee and I thought it was so appropriate for Valentine's. It reads, "Love you a latte," and we are going to make this little sign and put it on our coffee station. So that'll be our next program. So with that in mind, I like to tell you where I got these. These they have at Hobby Lobby. It's kind of small because my station is kind of small, but they do have taller ones, and you can also make them out of chalk paint and a frame. And this one, I got it for 40% off at Hobby Lobby. So I practically pay $3.50 or so. They go on sale every other week. So if they're not on sale, you can always use your 40% discount coupon at Hobby Lobby on a regular price item. I also bought the chalk marker, so I'm excited to use it. And I also have this handbook, how to write lettering, and they also ask you for a pencil and some Q-tips to clean. So the first thing we are going to do is, I think this is going to be really a lot of fun using. I also got this one at Hobby Lobby, and it was like $3 something, but like I said, if this is the only thing you buy, you can buy it for 40% off. And let me show you real quick. So it takes all the guessing out of using a regular chalk. So let me see. The first thing that they suggest for you to do is to just use your regular chalk and run it through, and then wipe it off with your eraser. But I really don't care for that look. I do like to have that black background because I think it shows better. So it's a preference, if you do want to do that, go ahead. And I went ahead and practiced different little signs here until I find how I wanted to write that. So here's a few samples. Now the next thing, once you've drawn it, you can cut it the size of your little frame there, and then you can go ahead and do chalk on the back. Put it where you're going to get it and go ahead and trace it with your pencil, okay? And once you've done that, you can remove it and you can go over it with your marker. So I'm not going to go ahead and trace it. I'm just going to do it really simple for you, freehand. But if you want to go ahead and draw a few lines, you can go ahead. And as soon as I open this, we are going to get started, okay? All right, so this is my favorite one that I picked. I made it work. So the first thing you're going to write is, see if I can do it. Just really nice curves. This is L. Okay, and then nice cursive, love. Okay, and then after that we can go over it. And then this little mark is going to connect the Y, the capital Y. And it's going to start getting white as we let the time go dry it. U. And then the A, we're going to put it right here in a different script. So go ahead and draw your A. And then at the ends, let's do 2 little curls, or whatever you want to call it. And then on the top as well, curls, or yeah, and then the A goes out and curls, almost like pointing to the latte cup. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and draw. I hope you can see some of the lettering. It's starting to come out. Maybe I need to shake it more. And now over here we're going to draw your cup. So we're going to draw an oval, almost like elongated egg shape, okay? So almost like that. And then go ahead and draw the two sides, connect them on the bottom. And on the bottom, go ahead and draw another elongated egg shape. Just like that. You can go over it a few times and fix it, because that is what the, and then just a little ear shape right there, the handle of the cup. And now you're going to spell latte, okay? So L, printed, L-A-T-T. And you can take your time. I'm trying to do a little quick demonstration here, but so guess what goes right here? The little heart right in the middle. Okay, and then you can do a little lines that hug the heart. Okay, once you've done that, let's go ahead, and we said we would do this like a ribbon. So I might go ahead and shade it later, but go ahead and try to add a little bit of thickness to it, and I think it's coming out nicer now. So here's where we connect, and then we do the nice capital Y, make it a little bit thicker, and around, hope you can see okay, U, and a curl around it. And let's make everything a little bit thicker, especially the ribbon where it folds. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have to make it definitely darker, but you get the idea, right? And now it's the time to do our coffee station. So stay tuned for the next how to build your Valentine's coffee station, and we'll see you next time, okay?